Yum. Is that a puff you're eating? Oh, not quite in your mouth. I think you might need a sip of water, huh? You need a sip of water?